One of the fastest growing sectors of the crypto market over the last few cycles has been gaming. It's a way to get millions of people into the crypto space in a fun and interactive way. And one project in particular that I've invested in recently that I want to share with you is called Gaimin. And Gaimin is a next generation gaming infrastructure project that is set to revolutionize the entire gaming industry. Ultimately, their mission is to become the leading Web3 gaming platform and game launcher and enhance the gaming experience by providing innovative software and solutions and become a gateway to mass Web3 adoption. The symbol for this token is GMRX, and it's right around a $50 million market cap. So I think this project easily could be a 20x project during this bull market as we continue to see, Bitcoin surpass $100,000 per coin, see the overall crypto market cap potentially reach $5 trillion. I think we very well could see this project reach that $1 billion market cap, because a few things about Gaimin is that it's a gaming platform, but it also doubles as a state-of-the-art crowdsourced GPU sharing system. Ultimately, right now, they hold the world's biggest source of decentralized GPUs powering AI tech, fueled by 300,000 plus gamers and counting. And the thing about this platform is that their vision is to use their gaming technology to create the world's most powerful decentralized supercomputer by utilizing the unused and underused computational resources of the global gaming community to power an exciting new future for the benefit of humankind and create a sustainable, lasting social impact. So a few things about this project I think are really unique and help it stand out from all the other gaming projects out there is that it's not just a game, but it's a gaming infrastructure project. And Gaimin acquires users by offering a few different things. They have a superior gaming platform. They have access to an exciting new generation of Web3 games, Web2 games with Web3 integrations, facilitated by Gaimin's gamer developer tools. Also, you can see true ownership of interoperable cross-game utility game assets, passive rewards to fund gaming. There's a large gaming community. Like I said, there's hundreds of thousands of users already, professional esports teams to build user loyalty and engagement, the ability to have watch to earn by viewing Twitch streams through the Gaimin innovative streaming integrations, and there's a lot more features that are coming. So with Gaimin, ultimately, it's positioned in the perfect place to capitalize on a few different sectors of the market, especially gaming, but also that gaming infrastructure with GPU and AI. Really, it's perfectly positioned, in my opinion, to meet the growing demand for the up-and-coming generation gaming experiences by providing a really robust infrastructure for Web3 gaming. With its unique Web3 gaming platform and game launcher, this platform, in my opinion, is offering like an innovative approach that benefits gamers, developers, stakeholders, and ultimately it's positioned as a leader in this industry. So if we go about and look at some of their major partnerships as of recently, we can see that Gaimin has a few major partnerships with some of the biggest names in the crypto space. They have strategic partnerships, collaborations with B&B Chain, Snack Club / Loud, Blockchain Game Alliance, Sophiaverse, Hanson Robotics, Singularity NET Foundation, and a few others. You can see all of these listed on their site. In addition to this, they have a few methods of revenue generation, which I think are pretty important because a lot of projects are simply building games, building platforms, but don't have ways to make actual money. But Gaimin is different. Gaimin generates revenues from a few key sources, including monetization through Gaimin Cloud, Gaimin Marketplace, Gaimin Games Launcher, and Gaimin Gladiators. And you can see all these details over on their white paper. When you look at their business model section, you can see it has all these things listed out and gives you some details of each of these, like the Gaimin Cloud, Gaimin Marketplace, Game Launcher, and Game Gladiators. Next thing I want to go over is going to be with their social impact, because one thing that's really important for projects these days is their impact on society. And with Gaimin, there's a few things that stand out. Again, this is in their white paper, and you can see it says the Gaimin project also helps to bridge the digital divide by providing access to powerful data processing capabilities to individuals and organizations that may not have been able to afford it before. This can help promote innovation, economic growth, and social progress in communities around the world. And one key thing about it is that Gaimin provides a platform that promotes true ownership of in-game assets, creates a new opportunity for gamers to benefit from the value of their assets, and this ultimately in turn empowers gamers to have a strong voice in the gaming industry and help promote fairness and equality within the gaming world. In addition to this, it also talks about under social impact how Gaimin is committed to giving back to its users and creating a more equitable world. Up to 90% of the revenue generated by Gaming Cloud is returned to the gamers, which is completely unique for crypto space and really projects like this in general. And it provides them with a new stream of income and improving their financial situation, having them able to not have to sacrifice leisure time and can just continue to earn money that way. So ultimately, why I'm bullish on this project long term is because it generates revenue from a number of different sources. It has some key partnerships with like major, not only crypto companies, but financial and tech institutions that are going to help accelerate its growth long term. They own the world's top 5 esports organization, the Gaming Gladiators, as part of their flagship marketing strategy to onboard millions of gamers. This is something that is very important because as gamers see that they own one of the top 5 esports organizations, it's going to help more people be attracted to the platform in general. And also you could see that by harnessing the power of the global gaming community, rewarding them, paying them, for playing these games and for interacting with the ecosystem, well, it's going to help build a more sustainable, inclusive, and socially responsible ecosystem for everyone. So this is a project I think is very important because it's not just a gaming platform, but it's going to be so important in terms of the GPU and what they're trying to do with infrastructure as well. And it's really just an immense opportunity for people who are not only interested in games, but also in gaming infrastructure and just GPU infrastructure as well. So you could see that this project has dropped in price a little bit over the last few days, which is pretty much in line with what's happening in the overall market. We've seen Bitcoin have a correction. We've seen many projects have a correction. And considering it's only down 7%, that is a pretty good position to be in. We're seeing that it's testing lower level support levels, and I'm very much expecting us to bounce back very soon. When we see the market have a bit of a turnaround, we see a bit of positive sentiment in the market, I'm expecting this project to easily bounce back, reach that $100 million market cap and continue to rally higher. Currently, this project is available on a number of different places like Bybit, KuCoin, Radium, BitGet, NovaDAX, CoinEx, PancakeSwap, and a few others. You can see there's countless pages of where they have already been listed. And this is a project I think has some real potential to do a 5x in the next couple of weeks, months, and then potentially do a 20x during this bull market.